the songbird.tree.com, where we get grounded, take flight, and sing. And today you're going to learn how to sing in perfect pitch. Many singers think that singing in perfect pitch or being able to sing a song 100% in tune is all about the ear. Unfortunately, it's not that simple. All singers, yes, even me and even the pros, have pitch issues from time to time at some level. That's because there are three things which can cause you to go flat or sharp, even for the person with the best ear in the world. And they are: number one, lack of focus. Number two, tension and constriction. Number three, lack of resonance. So let's go through how to address these issues so that you and I can sing in perfect pitch. Well, almost perfect. Remember, we're not robots. Number one, lack of focus. Sometimes it's simply that we're not paying attention enough to the melody, or maybe we're too confident that we know the song, which causes us to not quite hit the notes of the song correctly. This can happen a lot in singing riffs and runs, causing a sloppy blur of notes. But never fear, I'll have a video specifically about singing riffs and runs accurately sometime in the near future, so stay tuned for that. For now, let's get back to addressing this problem of lack of focus. We just have to become more aware of the melody rather than practice a song mindlessly. Practice with your brain switched on, attempting to hit every note right in its center, like shooting a dart at the target in a dartboard. So the next time you practice a song, imagine shooting darts right in the center of the target of a dartboard and try to hit every note square in the center of it. Record yourself singing it and listen back to get a realistic view of how in tune you were. If you were slightly off, practice that passage in the same way again, staying focused and paying more attention to hitting the note right in the center. Number two, tension and constriction. Tense muscles will absorb your sound. And when your muscles absorb your sound, your natural reaction will be to want to push the sound out. This causes strain and pain and basically flat or sharp singing. So get rid of tension in your body and make sure you don't constrict your throat. How? By stretching and loosening the body every singing session, whether you're vocalizing or singing a song. Here are some practical steps you can take to do this. Stretch and loosen up your body. Massage your face and jaw by giving your face and jaw a wonderful kindness massage. Stick out and stretch your tongue to give it a lovely stretch, like this. Breathing and supporting your voice correctly. Use your breath efficiently by stretching out your ribs to inhale and then keeping them open as you sing to ensure you are not putting unnecessary pressure on your poor little throat. Open your throat while inhaling for breath. So as you prepare with your breath before every phrase, also prepare your throat by simultaneously doing a pre-yawn stretch to create space in the throat for your vocal cords to vibrate freely without constriction. Number three, lack of resonance. Lack of resonance will cause flat singing because the sound falls onto the throat and usually gets a little strained and breathy. Of course, there is an easy solution for that one. Inject some resonance into your singing. If you want to make sure your songs are perfectly in pitch, a great habit to get into is practicing all of your songs on a bright and buzzy ming-ming to ensure everything is buzzing high and resonating beautifully forward. So this is how you do it. Choose a song and then just sing ming-ming on the song instead of the lyrics, like this. Ming, 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 ming. Ming, 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 ming. Ming, 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 ming. And you should feel all the buzz right here in your face. And then sing the lyrics right there. Everybody loves the things you do, from the way you talk to the way you move. And there you go. So when you sing the lyrics in the ming space, essentially it's going to really help you to say goodbye to pitchy singing and hello resonant and perfectly pitched singing. So there you have it, Songbird. 3 things to work on in order to sing in perfect pitch. Well, almost. Remember, we are not robots, so it's impossible to be perfectly in pitch all the time, and that's okay. Now, thumbs up if you found this helpful. Next time, I'm going to show you the secrets to becoming a good singer, even if you think that you're pretty bad. So subscribe to the channel or over at my website at www.thesongbirdtree.com to make sure that you don't miss this video. Hey, and when you sign up at my website, you'll also get an amazing freebie workout video to transform your voice. Please share this video with your songbird friends so that they too can learn how to sing in perfect pitch. Now, for daily singing tips, inspirations, vocal health tips, and other exciting stuff, including what me and my team at the Songbird Tree get up to, follow us on social media. Songbird, I am always believing in you. Now go forth and get grounded, take flight, and sing with perfect pitch. Now, if you're ready to take your voice to a whole nother level, go and check out my Vocal Revolution program. It has 19 video modules. Yes, that's over 20 hours of me as your virtual vocal coach, and also direct access to and support from myself and my associate coaches. So why don't you go to thesongbirdtree.com and find out more. That's it? We're done.